What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. We're gonna go over Cardano. Currently you're sitting at 296. We're starting to break out of our bullish pattern here. We're down about 2.79% on the day. We're sitting in a market cap of 94.9 billion. 24-hour volume is 5.72 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral, and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix travel incentives. All right, guys. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. So you can see we broke out of our ascending triangle. Cardano is looking really strong. It's looking really bullish, but of course we need Bitcoin to break that key level of resistance. But currently we've broken out and we're back testing it as support. We're above the EMAs. We're holding them as support. Things are looking really good for Cardano. As you can see, since we started our recovery here, how absolutely embarrassing. We've been holding the EMAs beautifully on the 4-hour chart, and it looks like that's going to be a continuing trend till we see our large correction with Bitcoin. So let's jump into the daily time frame for Cardano. So we can see here on the daily, the 20 EMA is catching back up to the candles slowly but surely here. So in my opinion, Cardano is just waiting to explode. It's waiting to see if Bitcoin is going to come up. Let's look at Bitcoin really quick. If Bitcoin is going to come up and break 50.4K, or if we're going to get rejected, consolidate, or see that roll over here. You can see here with Bitcoin that we've come back and we're back testing our channel once again. We fell out of it, we pushed back up into it, and we've fallen out of it once again. But there is a reversal pattern here on the hourly chart, which is an inverse head and shoulders. So you have your left shoulder, you have your head, you have your right shoulder, and currently we're back testing the neckline for Bitcoin here. So if Bitcoin were to hold this neckline and we come up and break 50.4K, you have a target here that would bring you up to about 52,000, and of course ADA will follow. But if we were to see that rollover, guys, that's when we'll see Cardano come back down into this triangle once again and come back to test this level of support here, which is at about $2.75. Now there is a trend line. I was watching Carl, his channel name is The Moon. Please go check him out. Hilarious guy, exactly as I predicted. He drew out this trend line here. You can see we bounced right here, we bounced here as well, and it looks like we're coming back to test that support as well. So if ADA were to hold that trend line and continue to bounce off it as support, that would be extremely bullish. And what we'll see here is the price continues to rise along this trend line if we continue to hold this trend line. So I would keep an eye on this trend line of support as well. If it is broken, then I would expect us to come back test about 275. But we have broken out, guys. We're back testing it as support. These are things you want to look for as a trader for a good entry. Honestly, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to break 50.4K before I re-enter my long positions here, because that will give me more confirmation that we're going to see ADA head up to these price targets. We have 328, which is the 1.272. We are in price discovery here. Our technical target is 341. And then let me actually zoom this out a little bit. And then we have the 1.414 for ADA, which is up at about $3.80. It's looking really strong, guys. We're holding the EMAs. We've broken out of this pattern. So now we would just need Bitcoin to come up and break that key resistance. But if we do roll over here, do target 275. And if we were to fall out of this triangle, we have our support levels here, 248, and our technical target would be down at 225 for ADA. So that's it for this one, guys. Quick shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. The members are posting when they're entering, when they're exiting trades. They're also posting other analytics and goodies. We have over 1,000 members, price of a coffee. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, guys, for up to $1,600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading. You can follow me on social, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.